This video is going to take you on a wild journey. It might stir up some strong emotions, frustration, confusion, or maybe a mix of both. But here's the thing you must grasp. There are individuals out there who might not have the IQ of a genius, yet they're making millions. Now, I'm not saying this to be cynical or to downplay your intelligence. I've been right where you are. I used to think I was pretty smart, but my bank account? It was as good as empty. The moment I realized this pivotal concept, everything changed. Before we move forward, if you like this type of content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're diving deeper into the secrets of success, and you don't want to miss a thing. You see, there are people out there who might not score high on an IQ test, but they've cracked the code to wealth. The day I understood why individuals less intelligent than me were becoming way richer, I checked my ego at the door, and my entire perspective transformed. I used to believe that only trust fund kids or incredibly lucky folks became successful. I kept telling myself that I didn't want to be rich. The truth is, this was a lie we often tell ourselves. I was living a life built on misconceptions, and I needed to break free from it. One day, I stumbled upon a guy on YouTube. Frankly, he wasn't the sharpest tool in the shed. He once believed Vermont was a country, and his presentations were riddled with spelling errors. Yet, when he logged into his bank account, I was left dumbfounded. Over $3 million. It forced me to rethink everything I knew about money. I used to think that being intelligent was the golden ticket. But this guy, he wasn't book smart, but he was financially savvy. He understood the principles of wealth and success. He knew how to emulate that success, and it made him a millionaire. It took me some soul searching to admit that, despite my intelligence, I lacked the formula for wealth. So, I dove into studying his content and broke it down to create my own formula. Success, I realized, wasn't about being a genius. It was about understanding what captures people's attention and delivering the content they crave. That guy's personal stories resonated with his audience. He had them hooked, and he was raking in the cash. I decided to follow in his footsteps, and that's when the magic started happening. I became a money magnet because I understood the art of simplifying and delivering what people wanted. We grow up in a system where we're taught by teachers who aren't exactly rolling in dough. Learning from them for 12 years will make us just as good as them, maybe a little better. But that's not the path to wealth. To make real money, you need to learn from the people who've achieved what you want. Forget the traditional way of doing things. Listen to those who've succeeded in a time frame you desire. There are people who've gone from making just a few $1,000s a month to hundreds of thousands in a short time. Even those who've gone from zero to billion-dollar empires in just a few years. Mark Zuckerberg and other tech giants didn't start as billionaires. They achieved their success because they embraced the formula that's about speed, taking action, and bridging the gap between idea and execution. It's not about perfectionism, it's about getting things done. It's about seizing the right opportunities, even if they're far from perfect. Success isn't about being a genius, it's about executing your ideas swiftly and effectively. So, why haven't you achieved the financial success you desire, despite your intelligence? How long will you let people with less experience and smarts beat you at the game of wealth? It's time to step out of your comfort zone, learn from the right people, and turn your brilliant ideas into reality. This isn't about perfection, it's about seizing the moment. Before we move forward, I want to remind you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Trust me, this is just the beginning of your transformational journey. Imagine if you could take your brilliant ideas, those concepts that have been brewing in your mind, and turn them into real wealth. It's not about how high your IQ is or how many degrees you hold. It's about your ability to execute, to spot opportunities, and act on them before anyone else does. The most successful people aren't always the perfectionists. They're the ones who take action. They're the ones who see a chance, no matter how imperfect it may be, and dive right in. That's where the real power lies. It's in the gap between having an idea and making it happen. The closer you can shrink that gap, the more powerful you become. Think about Dubai. In just a few decades, it transformed from a barren landscape into one of the most stunning cities in the world. It's a testament to the power of vision and rapid execution. They didn't wait for perfect conditions, they made conditions perfect for themselves. If you're striving to reach that $10,000, $20,000, or even $100,000 per month income level, you have to break free from traditional thinking. You need to learn from those who've achieved what you want. It's about positioning yourself in the right place at the right time. It's about recognizing opportunities and grabbing them. Successful people, I discovered, are not inherently smarter. They don't spend their days pondering every detail. They have ideas, they act on them swiftly, and they reap the rewards. It's not about overthinking, it's about doing. But here's a question I want you to ponder. If you're as intelligent as you believe, why haven't you achieved the financial success you desire? Why are you still asking for time off at your job? Why are you showing up at the office when you'd rather be anywhere else? It's time to change the narrative, to shift your focus from perfectionism to execution. Your intelligence is a valuable asset, but it's your ability to turn ideas into reality that will truly make you wealthy. Now, I want to share a revelation with you. The power of success lies in your ability to spot opportunities when they're right in front of you. It's about quick execution and closing the gap between an idea and its manifestation. The most powerful individuals on this planet are those who can have an idea and make it a reality right before your eyes. The truth is, wealth isn't a result of just book smarts or even high IQ. It's about the willingness to take bold, calculated steps towards your vision. It's about being the first to see a chance and act on it when others hesitate. Success doesn't require you to be a perfectionist, it demands action. Successful people don't wait for the perfect moment, they create their perfect moments. They recognize the power in being the first to seize an opportunity. Dubai wasn't built by perfectionists. It was constructed by visionaries who knew how to turn ideas into reality swiftly. That's the kind of power that changes lives. If you're aiming for that monthly income of $10,000, $20,000, or even $100,000, it's time to leave behind the conventional mindset. It's time to learn from those who've already walked the path. Position yourself where the action is. Embrace the opportunities that come your way. Successful people aren't geniuses. They're not lost in analysis paralysis. They're the ones who dare to execute, who don't wait for perfection, and who reap the rewards of their boldness. So, here's my parting question. If you're as intelligent as you believe, why haven't you achieved the financial success you desire? Why are you still stuck in the old patterns of seeking time off or enduring workdays you'd rather escape? It's time for a change, a shift from perfectionism to execution. Your intelligence is an asset, but your ability to turn thoughts into reality is what will set you on the path to wealth. If you want to learn more, I urge you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're about to delve even deeper into the secrets of success. Make sure you're part of this transformative journey. Subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in another video.